Hey guys, and welcome to Fitness Center. I want you to become familiar with a few of the links here. First off, up here in the Home tab, that will take you to home screen. When you go to the home screen, that'll give you information such as the assignments that are due for that week. There's also a printable calendar there, and you can have access to the syllabus. The announcements tab is very important too. Make sure that your notification settings are set up to where you get announcements immediately. I will probably send out 30 to 40 announcements throughout the course of the semester. It's very important that you read them all. Another tab that's important is the inbox. This is how you message me, and this is how you get a hold of me during the semester. This is quicker than email. It's better than email. Message me in Canvas for quickest response. Also, by now you should have already completed your orientation and submitted your screenshot. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know.